Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Oh, well, let's get into the video. Roll the intro. What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Woo! You know, got my little Santa hat on. I know you're probably like, why you got on a Santa hat so early? You know, it's December 1st. We got 24 days into Christmas, you know, just feeling the holiday spirit. So, you know, just feeling good. But in today's quick video, I'm going to show you guys a quick controller comparison between the Astro C40 and the PlayStation 5 controller. Yes, it's finally here. Woo! We finally brought this here. Man, if you haven't watched my last video, I'll leave a card link up there so you can go watch that video of the PlayStation 5 controller and my first impressions. Really great video. So I did a little unboxing. But now here we go right here. We got the Astro C40 versus PlayStation 5 controller. Thumbnail. So here we go right there. As you can see, you got the PlayStation 5 controller. Got the Astro C40 controller. So we're doing a little comparison. Here's a side view. If you notice anything, you can tell by the shapes. So, you know, Sony was going to use the Astro C40 tournament ready controller design, as you can see, because everything's almost about the same. Got the controller, you know, going through, as you guys can see right there. So let me know what you guys think. I still haven't got my PlayStation 5 yet, but hey, we'll get one eventually. You know, I'm still being patient with it. So hopefully by the time Christmas comes, I have one, or if Sony announced a black one. But that being said, with these two controllers right here, PS5 Astro C40. Now, their comparisons, they feel the same. They, you know, look, they kind of have the same kind of shape. We'll drop the PlayStation 5 controllers. So you can see right there, same kind of shape. Look at that. Same curvage as you see going out right here. Right here. Show you this one right here. Same curvage. You know, with the front of the controllers. Study them good. Only difference is, you know, this one's just a pro controller, so you can, you know, customize it, everything else on there, paddles and everything. But touchpad on here is bigger than the Astros, way bigger. Like, this one, the PlayStation 5, you do got that little button where you can mute your microphone. On Astro, there's no mute button. It's just, you know, the speakers, PlayStation button. It says Astro, but on the Astro, you got profiles right here, 1 and 2. You can have different custom profiles. You still got the little charging port, and then you can play wireless or wired connection. On the Astro, almost dropped it. So right here on the Astro, you got, you know, you do get the little paddles. Let's put this PlayStation 5 down real quick. These trigger stops right here, as you can see on the back of the controller. You push them up, you know, you want, you know, that quick trigger, you push them down. Gives you that full access, you know, just like that. But me, I leave mine rocking up. Got the paddles right here on the back of the controller, which make them real comfortable, as you can see. This is the reset button if you want to reset your controller back and forth. And then, you know, you can, you know, swap the D-pad and the analog stick out on here and make play Xbox style. Parallel or offset is what they call it. Now, let's get to the PS5 controller. As you guys see in my last unboxing, I won't make this video too long. So you can see right here, you know, PS5, you got the nice analog sticks. You got the microphone right here, PlayStation button, speakers, so you can mute the mic. Not a pro controller, but these do give you the full access of going down, you know, playing with the triggers. This one does use USB-C, but the design of it, like the feel of them, to me, the Astro is thicker down here. It's thicker down here on the sides than the PlayStation is. The PlayStation is more narrow and thin, but the Astro, to me, in hands, they feel like, to me, they feel the same. But the Astro's like, it has more grip texture to it than the PlayStation. The PlayStation has, like, on the front, it's more smooth and, you know, slippery. Like, it can slide out of your hand, but the back has a little grip texture to it. But on the Astro, you get, you get more grip, and it's thicker down here than the PlayStation is. You could tell. See how much thicker that is? That right there. They both do have the audio headphone jack at the bottom, but Astro, you can connect this where you can use your charging ports also. Or you can charge on the PlayStation controller. You can charge right here if you have the DualSense charger thing, or you can charge with the cable at the top. The thumbsticks on the Astro ones, they're a little bit more thicker, a little bit bigger than the PlayStation ones. The PlayStation ones are like super thin, as you can tell. So that being said, you know, the D-pads, the Astro feel, to me, I like the D-pad better on the Astro controllers, probably because I've been using it. Once I get a PlayStation 5 and I can be able to test out the actual controller functions of the PlayStation 5 controller and test out everything, I'll give you guys an updated video on that and how the PlayStation 5 controller feels. But to me, I like it. I like the size of the PlayStation. Probably why I like the feel of it, because they both feel the same. They both have the same curvature. The Astro thumbsticks, I think they stick out a little bit. You guys tell me. I think the Astros stick out a little bit, a little bit longer than the PlayStations. But this is just a quick controller comparison. You know, you can see on the C40. I reviewed this on it. It does say C40. Got these buttons up here. So nothing up there. But the touchpad on the PS5 feels better than the Astros. The Astros touchpad feels like it doesn't have no feedback to it, but it does when you play, especially when you're playing games. You know, it works great. They both have menu and the share buttons, but you cannot tell me that these controllers don't look the same and other than that, but they do feel the same. So hopefully soon we can get an update for this to work on the PlayStation 5. So far, I only heard that, don't quote me on this, that this only works on the PlayStation 5 with PS4 games, but I wouldn't know because I ain't got a PlayStation 5 yet. So once I get a PlayStation 5, I'll test this out and let you guys know, give you guys an update. But here's the controller comparison between the Astro C40 and the PlayStation 5 controller. And to me, in my eyes, they feel the same. I like both of them. Like, if you look at them back to back, almost same design. So, you know, this has to come to work on there. The only thing stopping this from working on the PlayStation 5 is a software update, which called that. But since the PlayStation 5 is so new, it's probably going to take some time before this actually gets the full compatibility to work on PlayStation 5. But hey, you never know. It might come out sooner. So here it is right here. PlayStation 5 versus Astro C40 tournament ready controller comparison. Did you see, what would you guys take? If you had the PlayStation 5 you've been playing and you had the controller, what would you rather prefer to use? PlayStation 5 or Astro C40? Let me know in the comment section below. But hey, if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 1,300 subscribers. Woo! Doing big things. You know, Christmas is in 24 days, so stay safe, everybody. God bless everybody. And that being said, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. Here's a controller comparison of the Astro C40 versus the PlayStation 5. The comparison, the similarities. Now, can't tell me these don't look the same. So that being said, just you can tell the Astro's a little bit thicker. But y'all leave it down in the comment section and let me know. But that being said, I'll catch you guys sometime in a few days. Peace. Stay safe, everybody.